today's video, we're going to continue our lessons on general knowledge, okay? For the past 1 month, I've been uploading videos on general knowledge and current affairs, and this is for those post prospective schools ask questions on general knowledge and current affairs in Post UTME, okay? So today we're going to continue our lessons on general knowledge, and this is probably going to be the last video I'm going to do on general knowledge for 2024 Post UTME candidates, okay? And before we go ahead, I need to let you guys know that I've seen similar questions in different schools posting past questions. So it's important for you to always watch the videos that I've done on Post UTME, current affairs and general knowledge if your school asks questions on general paper, because there are some schools that don't ask questions on general paper, okay? So if your school does, make sure you watch all the videos that I've uploaded here on general paper or current affairs, okay? Now, the first one I'm going to look at is from AAUA, okay? The first one I'm going to look at is from AAUA. Now, the first one is the capital of Iran is. Option A, we have Iranian. B, we have Dublin. C, we have Baghdad. D, we have Tehran. And D, we have Budapest, okay? Now, the capital of Iran is Tehran, okay? Tehran is the capital of Iran, okay? Someone who is from Iran is called Iranian, okay? Now, Dublin is the capital of Republic of Ireland, okay? Now, option C, Baghdad. Baghdad is the capital of Iraq, okay? Baghdad is the capital of Iraq. Option D, Tehran is the capital of Iran. Now, option E, Budapest, okay? Budapest is the capital of Hungary. Now, next question, the full meaning of UEFA is. This should be a simple question for football lovers, okay? Now, the first one we have here is Union of European Federation Associations. B, United European Football Association. C, Union of European Football Association. D, United English Football Association. E, Union of English Football Association. Now, which one is the correct answer? What is UEFA? Very football lover, this should be a very simple question for you, okay? Now, UEFA simply means Union of European Football Association. That's the full meaning of UEFA, okay? So, option C is the correct answer, Union of European Football Association, okay? Now, the next question we have, Nelson Mandela was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in option A, 1992, B, 1993, C, 1994, D, 1995, and E, 1996, okay? Nelson Mandela was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize on December 10, 1993, okay? 10th December 1993, okay? So option B is the correct answer, okay? Option B is the correct answer. The next question we have, Ibeno Beach is in Akwa Ibom State, okay? Ibeno Beach is in Akwa Ibom State. You have option A, Lagos State, Cross River, Akwa Ibom, TARABA, Niger State. So it's in Akwa Ibom State. Option C is the correct answer, okay? Now the next question, the June 12th presidential election was annulled by President Ibrahim Babangida on. The June 12th presidential election was annulled by President Ibrahim Babangida on June 12, 1993. Of course, no, that was the day the election was held, okay? So it's not the correct answer. Option B, June 14, 1993. No. June 18, 1993. June 23, 1993. Okay, this is the correct answer. June 23, 1993. Okay, that was the day President Ibrahim Babangida announced the June 12 presidential election of Abiola. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Option E, June 27, 1993 is not correct. Okay, now let's see the next one. Gombe State belongs to the geopolitical zone in Nigeria. We have option A, Southeast, B, Southwest, C, North Central, D, Northeast, and E, Northwest. Okay, now Gombe State belongs to the Northeast. Gombe State belongs to the Northeast. Okay, Adamawa, Bauchi, Borno, Gombe, Yobe, and Taraba, okay, belong to the Northeast. Okay, they belong to the Northeast. Adamawa, Bauchi, Borno, Taraba, Gombe, and Yobe, they belong to the Northeast. So belongs to the Northeast geopolitical zone. Okay, now we have the next question. The former Eastern Nigeria was proclaimed a sovereign state, Biafra, by Odumegwu Ojukwu on May 30, 1967, B. June 15, 1966, C. April 6, 1968, D. January 10, 1965, E. April 21, 1969. Okay. Now, Odumegwu Ojukwu proclaims the eastern region, the eastern part of Nigeria, a sovereign state, Biafra, on May 30, 1967. Okay. May 30, 1967. That was the day. That was the day Odumegwu Ojukwu proclaimed the eastern Nigeria, a sovereign state, Biafra. May 30, 1967. Okay. May 30, 1967. Now let's see the next question. The official residence of the Secretary General of the United Nations is in, we have option A, Washington DC, United States, B, New York City, United States, C, Birmingham, United Kingdom, D, Atlanta, Georgia, United States, and E, London. Okay. The official residence of the Secretary General of UN is in New York City, US. Okay. New York City, United States. So option B is the correct answer. The next question, Obanta statue is located in, we have Abeokuta, B, Omomosho, C, Ibadan, and D, Ijebu-Ode. Okay. Obanta statue is located in Ijebu-Ode. Okay. Obanta statue is located in Ijebu-Ode. Obanta was the third king of Ijebu-Ode who reigned in the 14th century. Okay. And Ijebu-Ode now is known as Ogun State. Okay. So option D, Ijebu-Ode, is the correct answer. Okay, and that's where you have Obanta statue in Ijebu-Ode. Okay. Now, the last question, the current Inspector General of Police is dash. Okay. Now, this question was in 2021, and the correct answer is not in the option because the current Inspector General of Police took office on June 2023. Okay, 11th June 2023. Okay, and this question came out in Post UTME 2021, so the correct answer is not here. Okay. Just in case you say a similar question in your exam, the current Inspector General of Police is Mr. Kayode Ebetokun. Mr. Kayode Ebetokun. Okay. Mr. Kayode Ebetokun, and has been acting since June 2023. Okay, so the correct answer is not in the options. Okay, there's no need within the options. Okay, so that'll be all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. Like I said at the beginning of this video, this might be the last video I'll be doing on current affairs and general knowledge. If you want me to do more videos on current affairs and general knowledge, let me know in the comment section. Okay, because I'm itching to go back to teaching use of English. Okay. So if you want me to continue with this, let me know in the comment section. Okay, maybe I can do more videos for you guys if you still want me to do videos on current affairs, because there are still more questions in the any past questions that I have that I've not talked about. So if you want me to do more videos for you guys on current affairs and general knowledge, let me know in the comment section. Okay, because like I said, I'm itching to go back to teaching use of English. Okay, so that'll be all for today. I hope you gained knowledge from this video, and please, I want you guys to help me grow my second YouTube channel. Okay, Dema Tutorials Online School. Now, my second YouTube channel is actually for every subject. Okay, it's for every subject: chemistry, physics, mathematics, literature, government, economics, commerce, etc. So my second YouTube channel, Dema Tutorials Online School, is for every subject, and I'm currently interviewing teachers who are going to be making videos on those subjects. Okay, and I'm making sure I get the best hands to handle those subjects. And please, I need you to help the channel grow by using the link in the comment section and in the description box to visit the channel and click on the subscribe button. Okay, so you'll be able to see the videos when they're uploaded and also help my channel grow. Okay, please do that for me. Use the link that will be leaving for you at the description box and in the comment section. So please visit the channel and click on the subscribe button. Okay, click on the subscribe button and watch the videos there. For now, I have lots of videos on government, literature, as related subjects. The teachers have not started uploading videos, but they will soon start uploading videos on the channel. So click on the subscribe button to ensure you get notified when they start uploading videos on the channel. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys again very soon. Thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, this channel, and the other channel, please. Thank you, and bye bye.